Hello student, we will start the lecture, that is new topic, metabolism of carbohydrates. Metabolism of carbohydrates. The different pathways in the intermediary metabolism of carbohydrates. The different pathway in the metabolism of carbohydrates are glycolysis, Krebs citric acid cycle, gluconeogenesis, and the pentose phosphate pathway, glycogenolysis. The breakdown of the glycogen is called as glycogenolysis. In the liver, the main end product of glycogen breakdown is glucose. In muscle, the main product are pyruvic acid and lactic acid. Glucogen acts as a carbohydrates reserve. Whenever glucose is required, glycogen undergoes glycogenolysis, liberating glucose into the blood streams. The hormone glucagon stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose in the liver and thus causes a rise in good sugar. Glucagon is secreted by the A cells of the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. Epinephrines, adrenaline secreted by the medulla of the adrenal glands, promotes conversion of glycogen to glucose in the liver and also conversion of glycogen to lactic acid in muscle during the anaerobic metabolism. Glycogenesis is the synthesis of glycogen in animals and starch in plants from glucose. When glucose is absorbed into the blood stream, some amount is immediately converted into glycogen in the liver. Some glucose passes from the liver into systemic circulation and is converted into glycogen in the muscles. An outline of glycogenesis is given below. Glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphatase, which is then converted into glucose first phosphate. Glucose 1-phosphate combines with the uridine triphosphatase UTP to form the uridine diphosphoglucose UDPG. With the elimination of pyrophosphate PPI, glucose 1-phosphate plus UDP glucose plus pyrophosphatase UDP transfers the glucose molecule to the end of an existing glucogen chain. Repeated addition of one glucose unit at a time extends the glucogen chain. UDP glucose plus glycogen N gives rise to glycogen N plus 1 plus UDP. UDP can be converted to the UTP transfer of phosphate from the ATP. UDP plus ATP gives rise to ATP plus ADP. Glycolysis, the metabolic pathway starting with glucose and ending with the pyruvic acid is called glycolysis. embedded methyl permethrin. Krebs citric acid cycle is the final common pathway of oxidation of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats through acetyl coenzymes, which is completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Glucogenesis is the formation of glucose or glycogen from non-carbohydrates precursors. The citric acid cycle and glycolysis are the main pathway of gluconeogenesis. The substrates are certain amino acids, lactic acid, glycerol, and propionate. Gluconeogenesis from amino acids and lactic acid takes place mainly in the liver. Lactic acid forms in muscles, is carried to the liver. Here it is converted into glucose by a reversal of the glycolysis mechanism and stored as the glycogen. This pathway is called the pentose phosphate pathway or hexose monophosphate shunt. In this pathway, for every 6 glucose molecules in the beginning, 5 hexoses are regenerated while 1 glucose molecule is oxidized. This is the metabolism of carbohydrates or pathway in the intermediate metabolism of carbohydrates. Okay, thank you.